Data Jockey here, machine learning for Victorian racing. Race 5 at Geelong, Friday 10 July 2026. Let us get straight into it. Before the breakdown, the short version for Race 5 at Geelong. Just one selection today, Kazungula for the place. The model does not always narrow it down to one, so when it does, it is worth understanding why. Stay with me and I will walk through it. Race 5 at Geelong today, 16 runners, top 3 paying the place dividend. First thing to note, the model's selection is not the market favourite, which signals it has found value the market has missed. One pick today, place only, no same race multi this time around. The model only fires when the data genuinely supports it, no quota, no forced selections, and plenty of races get skipped entirely. Today it found one worth a proper look. On to the detail. Quick word before the picks on how all this actually works, because it is a different approach to most of what you will find in the tipping space. The model behind these selections is a machine learning system that keeps learning from Victorian racing results. Every meeting, every result, every finish feeds straight back in. It is not built once and left alone. It updates and sharpens with every race run in Victoria. Here is the part that matters most. Most tipping models chase the winner. This one does not. It was built specifically to find place finishers, horses that hit the top positions and pay a place dividend. That is a genuinely different problem, and it needs a different approach to solve. The model is weighing dozens of variables across the whole field at once: pace, distance, field composition, historical patterns, how each horse stacks up against today's specific rivals. All of it together in ways no human could track by hand. If you want the full methodology breakdown, the link is in the description below, worth a look when you have the time. For now, Race 5 is waiting, and the model has plenty to say about it. Let us get into the selections. First selection for Race 5, Kazungula, the model's top pick, currently second in the market. Not the favorite, not the one getting the market's attention, just quietly priced at a level the model strongly disagrees with. That disagreement is the entire reason this selection exists. Worth being honest with you here, because I think it earns more trust than it costs. There is no single tidy explanation for why the model has chosen Kazungula. It genuinely does not work that way. It is not pointing to one factor, a good record at Geelong, a preferred distance, the usual form guide reasoning. That single factor thinking is what most tipping relies on, and it is exactly what this model avoids. Instead, it is weighing dozens of variables together, all at once: track conditions, distance, field composition, the specific rivals in this race, patterns drawn from thousands of past Victorian races. All of that simultaneously, picking up relationships a person simply cannot track by eye. That is deliberate. If the reasoning could fit in one sentence, the model would be redundant. Here is what actually matters. The market has Kazungula priced at second in the market. The model ranks it first for Race 5. That gap between market price and model confidence is the value, and finding it is the model's entire purpose. It was built around place finishers specifically, not winners, so a top ranking here means this horse matches the historical pattern of horses that land in the places. A genuinely different lens to standard form analysis. Kazungula for the place, top 3 finish in a 16-runner field. That is the model's read for Race 5. For entertainment purposes only, please make your own informed decision before placing any bet. For anyone following the full card, every race gets its own video, and they are all in the playlist Live before Race 1. Worth a look through the other races to see what else the model has flagged today. A place multi combining several selections is something some punters build themselves. Check with your wagering provider on how that is structured. Make sure any decision you make is your own, fully informed. Important reminder too, always check for scratchings before placing anything, since they can change a race entirely on the day. The model's place selection for Race 5 is Kazungula. The full card is waiting in the playlist. If you are not subscribed yet, this channel covers every Victorian meeting, every race day, and every selection comes at no cost, nothing locked behind a paywall here. That is Race 5 Geelong done. The model's place selection is Kazungula. That is the pick for this race, clean and simple. All tips are tracked publicly and results posted every week. Good days, bad days, all of it on the record. No cherry-picking, no hiding anything. You can see how the model is running over time and judge for yourself whether it is worth following. As always, for entertainment purposes only, please make informed decisions and gamble responsibly. See you in the next one.